This video really short. But yeah. I'm outside again. Got my cap on. Got my cap on. Okay. Anyways. Yo. Sprinkling. Something. I don't know. Over there's where Lexi was. Show you where my neighbor was if you didn't get to see that video. Oh, sorry, you okay? Oh, you okay, buddy? Oh, dang. You okay? Ouch. You okay? Sorry. He slammed into that into that. Look right here. Look. Look at that. Look where he slid into it. Look. You okay? Sorry. You knocked off these pebbles. Like, dang, you knocked off pretty big pebbles, bro. Did you see him slide? Did you see him slide? It was over here. We got that out of the way. Yeah, we got like a lot of other stuff. So, yeah. Right over there, where my neighbor was at. You okay, Sarge? You okay? Dog down. Help him out. You alright, old man? Need you to get you on video. I need to send this to the medical care. Do I need to send you to Garrett's house so you can get fixed up? Yeah, down there is where I hunt and stuff, so yeah. You need to go to Garrett's house, Sarge? You go with Maggie and on a date? You go with Maggie? No, okay, bye. Okay. Anyways, this is our woodshed. It's really awesome. My dad calls up there. It's palm tree. Goes. Sorry. I mean, let's go look over here. He slid, man. He slid in. He hit this right here. This part. Cement on it somehow. And he knocked off some of these big pebbles. He's smoking. Need to go Garrett's house, Sarge. You're just taking a whiz. Okay. Oh, jeez. We got a runner. Bye. Sorry, guys. See you guys later. Bye. Work. Maybe this time. Bye. Work. No, didn't I? Oh gosh, I'm done with that. Yes, see Sarge. Good. Sarge. Oh my gosh. Wow. He's taking a dump. Oh my gosh, Sarge, you just had to do that. Okay, guys. Goodbye.